Good morning, guys. Beckbassfishing here. We're in North Dakota on the snow goose trip. Boys are out in the field right now. They slept over there out overnight and got the field locked down. I think they set the spread too, so we don't have to do that. You can just show up, hunt. So that'll be beautiful. With Eli, just got in the build.
Morning. Head guide Peyton Worley here. As you can see, we set a spread last night. Took about 3 hours. We're running about 1,500 dive bombs and miscellaneous socks. We're hunting snow geese today. Little loaf pond. Should get greased.
Good morning, folks of the Beckbassfishing YouTube channel. We got about 100 million dive bombs set out here. According to Noah Barth, they were all up on this pond yesterday, and we're sitting in chopped cattails right now. And so apparently they're just walking up into it, and then they'd go up into the corn. We got corn like 30 yards behind us here. So we basically set the like half the spread, and so we just got basically like a funnel that goes like that, thick along the edge, and back over here in the corn we got a bunch as well. So dude, this thing's broken. It won't go. Ready? Leave that. Let these work. Dude, my damn shot.
One locked up, coming down.
Ready?
Kill him. Shoot the two.
Bass fishing.
Well, here's the mid-morning update. Time check, probably like 10 o'clock, somewhere around there, 10:15. Probably got like 50, 60 down. They're coming in little spurts. We had really heavy fog this morning, and I think that helped us, honestly. And yeah, now they're just trickling back to this loaf and shooting them when they're coming back.
Anything to add, World Dog?
What?
Anything to add?
We're just crushing them.
The e-collar's dead, so that's nice. Other than that, oh yeah, get down, Eli.
We're marking.
Yeah. Think that's pokeable? They have to come over like right now. Go. Oh shit! Yeah! Oh
All right, that's the end of the first day. Got Seeks here just vibing. He's a little tired.
shit! A little bit.
That's the end of the first day. Catch you guys tomorrow.
Alright, folks, welcome back to Beckbassfishing here. We're just sitting here at the grind for tomorrow.
Hey guys, welcome back.
I don't know, it's probably like 15,000 snow geese sitting in this cornfield over here. And we're just watching them right now. We got a strong north wind, not strong, a prime north wind for tomorrow. It's like 13 miles an hour, straight out of the north. It should be pretty good. They're coming from the south, they're roosting to the south of us, so they should be coming right in the gut.
It's gonna get greasy.
But for the last 2 days, the wind was blowing like 60 miles an hour, and decoys were blowing away and shit. And so 2 days ago, which would have been Tuesday. No. Tuesday?
Mm-hmm.
Tuesday. We went out and we shot 10.
No, Tuesday we shot 58.
58 Tuesday.
Tuesday. Oh shit! Tuesday we went out in this cornfield where there was like probably 5,000 in the morning, and then we bumped them over there in the afternoon, and we set the spread and we shot 58, and that was fun. We were just picking on them.
Hell yeah.
And then Wednesday,
Hell yeah.
we
Let's
went out
go,
and shot
boys.
10 because the wind was going like 60 miles an hour, and the snows were being snows. They were not digging it or nothing. So yeah, and then this morning we went out and it was a literal blizzard, and we shot like 20 maybe. I don't know, it was 20 something. We were set up in the wrong field. It was snowing, it was blowing like 40 miles an hour, and they did not care about our spread. They'd get like 100 yards away and then peel off and go land somewhere else, because why not?
Good morning, guys. It's currently 4:34 in the morning. Just arrived at the field. I think shooting lights at like 6:34 something. So we got about, I think roughly about 100 dozen we got to set this morning between full bodies and socks. So we're gonna get to that, and we'll catch you when we get in the blinds. Alright guys, we just got all the decoys set up. We got a pretty big spread. As he said, we're going to shoot some snow geese, so we got a pretty decent spread out. We'll talk to the boys here, get a quick interview. Isaac, what do you got for me this morning?
We're gonna smack the shit out of them.
Alright, really?
Time to grind. These two?
Wait. Oh my god.
No, if he gets up, Barbie. Should we get these two? Okay, go.
Are you kidding me?
No.
No.
Right there.
Right, two.
Okay, go. You take the two, we'll get the high one. You're not right.
Hold on, let me tell you when to shoot it. Kill it.
Going on the right.
Kill it.